What's up, Boston? It's Curtis Dino, and today we're back with another unboxing, right? And so today we actually are unboxing a pair of shoes. I mean, I know you've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail, so we're unboxing. I'm sorry, y'all, we got some things to see, but we're unboxing a Mohair sweater. Now, Marni has been one of those brands that's been like on everybody's radar within this last year or two. I don't know if it was Uzi, I don't know if it was Future, but they put it in a song, and since then it's taken off, which we can get into it. God damn, y'all alright? And neither one of y'all don't even have the toy, so now what?
It's a cat, buddy.
So, long story short, once they put that in the song, it went up. So, take a look. So, Farfetch. Let me explain to y'all why I love Farfetch, and I'm not just being biased because they put me on their website. I love Farfetch because their shipping times are unmatched. You cannot get a better shipping time than something from Farfetch. So, in short, I think this sweater was somewhere around like $1,100. I think this is a women's one, but I needed the color because I wanted to wear it with these. But and check out that unboxing. But so this is a brushed mohair cardigan, and if you look, it's super fuzzy because it's that brush effect, right? And then in addition to that, you got like this like fuzzy, buzzy mohair tag in the inside, and the label, and it says it's made in Italy. I do know that mohair products are usually woven, which is, I think something might have got in my eye, which is why they're usually so expensive, because it's not something that, I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me, but from my knowledge, it's not something that's that easily duplicated by a machine. Now, if this was made by a machine, I don't know. But Marni is a brand that, like, I feel like in these last couple of years, you've seen like it like slowly popping up everywhere, and things that they, or things that's similar to what they make, it just like out of here. So so I believe this is a small. It's a women's small, but it's true to size, but it has a relaxed fit. So let me explain what I mean. Like, if I put it on, I'm sure like the sleeves will be kind of regular, but more of a relaxed fit, so nothing's like super snug, super tight. Kind of how like a chrome heart tee would be. And in short, so what made me want this sweater beyond for the shoes is I wanted something that like I know I could get a lot of wears out of. And this has so many different colors. Like we got like a golden yellow, we got like a teal, a blue, a pink, another blue, a peachy orange, another orange, like another blue, and then the yellow, and then the green, and then the pink. You know, so many different colors that you really can, like, you know, play. And so it's a button-down cardigan. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. And let's just unsnap this thing right here, this bad boy right here. Cash, you wanna come in my video? No, you don't. Oh shit, they about to fight against the animals. There's something in here, people. I don't know what's speaking. Alright, so it's actually a size 42. Made in Italy, That's all I see. Now we're gonna try it on. Y'all alright? What happened? Alright, so now I'm trying to sweat on. I'm gonna move the camera back some though, so we can kind of get the full vibe. Let me see. It's kind of dark. Let me see if I can turn the brightness up some. Alright, so y'all probably can't see me, but basically you can see like the sleeves are like pretty much like the appropriate length for really, not too long. It's like a super relaxed fit. I'm letting y'all know now, this shit is low-key itchy where the sleeves aren't, but it feels good. Like it's warm, because it's cold in here. It's cold in here, but this is warm. Button this bad boy out. The button is big, but I can tell they move real nice and tight. Because usually when you get big buttons, they kind of feel a little loose. This feel tight. And look how it dropped. Like the drop on it is perfect. I can tell we got a straight cut hem, and that just means that like right here, like you see how it's like straight versus kind of like contouring to the body. But I like this though. This is my, well, I got a little bit of storage left. Alright, you see how like it stopped right here, pretty much at your waistline. That's dope. Cause you know the whole new vibe is like that, like crop vibe. So I'm pretty sure, but if you was taller, you know, that's something to keep in mind. But for the most part, my favorite thing about a sweater like this is whether the trends change, the styles change, it's something you can keep in your closet. I don't know where you can wear it to, but it's definitely something you can keep in your closet. And that's something to be mindful of when purchasing stuff. Oh, look, somebody gonna be in the video. You got your toy. Stash, you just got you got a toy. But yeah, so those are just some things to keep in mind. What I will say is it's definitely an itchy sweater. So if you're wearing it, you definitely want to have something like long sleeve on underneath. One thing that's weird for me is, and something I'm not used to, is like the drop shoulders. Like I'm used to it on t-shirts, but like the hem of the shoulder is always like right here. So unless you like, you know, big as fuck, you know, you ain't gonna feel it. But it's kind of cool because it permanently gives you that relaxed look. I wouldn't probably never wear it buttoned up. That's not my vibe, but maybe for the right outfit, I like it, you know, kind of like loose, flowy vibes, you know what I'm saying? So that's, you know, that's what I've been into lately. A lot of people wear the fur slides that they be having, and I really fuck with those slides. But what I will say is, like, I'm not really, like, my style, there's no place in it for a slide besides like a pool slide. Like the Dior slides, they probably don't scream like fashion, but that's more my vibe because that's something I can put on a sweatsuit. I don't really know where I would wear some mohair or like fur, pretty much Birkenstocks to, I don't know, I just don't see them on myself. But I mentioned them because I think they're a really hot item, like if you wanted to grab, and I think that would be tough. So we bought like a couple things I would change. Definitely the buttons. I mean, I feel like for an expensive sweater, I feel like they can have better buttons. I can tell that they like wood grain, but I just feel like something a little bit more, not special, but like either blend in completely or just feel heavier, so you know it makes sense. Other than that, I would probably have had lined the inside or something, or at least the sleeves of it, because I feel like there's no reason for it to be this itchy, you know. And I know it's the material, and I know it's something they can't control, but those are just my thoughts. I feel like if it was lined, maybe you wouldn't be able to wear it as often. Maybe it would be too thick. Maybe you wouldn't have that like loose movement. Because one thing about items like this is, like, you hang this up over time, it's gonna get so soggy, and all the weaving is just gonna start to like really drag because the weight of itself on a hanger. So you know, something like this you always want to keep folded. Now I'm not 100% sure, but I know there are things, because I'm sure this is wool. I'm sure like most mohair shit is wool. Let me read it. Well, I gotta get to the English section. I'm so used to English being first. You know, I would say 80% mohair and 20% polymer. I don't know, but I do know you're supposed to like store it, or there's a certain ways you can store sweaters like this so that they don't get eaten by like moths or some shit. I think these are or maybe that's wool. I don't know if mohair is wool. I don't know, but those are just some, you know, thoughts. I do know this is something you definitely can't wash, something that's definitely dry clean only. But hopefully this is something you never even have to wash. Hopefully you never even get that many wears out of it to the point where it's something you gotta wash. But I mean, I guess it's like a hoodie. I mean, you know, you dry clean it, but definitely something classic, a staple, something you can put in your closet and actually keep. I'm getting a little older now, so one of my goals now is to buy stuff that I can see myself wearing throughout like my 30s. Even though I doubt that, I just feel like the more money I make, the more I'm gonna treat clothes disposable. Not in the sense of throwing them away, but in terms of how many times I could wear them. Like when it comes to like black pants, I wear those every day. But like other shit, like something like this something you wear like once or twice that first time you get it, or like maybe 5 before you take a picture, but then like twice, like, you know, in terms of like going somewhere, and then you wear it casually 2 or 3 days, and then you don't even see it by the time the next season comes. But y'all don't gotta, you know, be like me, you know. Yeah. Alright, Boss Stones, I appreciate the view. I appreciate the support. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Do y'all think this is my grandfather's sweater? Do it look like I thrifted it for $20 instead of $1,000? You know, let me know. Let me know your thoughts. Stay untouchable. Godspeed.